If you think learning should be fun and engaging, then the Creative Curriculum is the game changer you've been waiting for. The Creative Curriculum is all about making learning an adventure. Imagine your child exploring the world through play, where every activity sparks curiosity and creativity. From building blocks to role-playing, kids develop problem-solving skills and make new friends, all while having a blast. This curriculum adapts to each child's unique needs, ensuring personalized learning that builds confidence and independence. Thematic learning dives deep into exciting topics like the five senses or transportation, making connections across subjects effortless and engaging. Balancing teacher guidance with child-led activities, the Creative Curriculum empowers kids to explore their interests while learning essential skills. Plus, it focuses on social-emotional growth, helping kids understand their emotions and build positive relationships. With tools to track progress and keep parents in the loop, this curriculum creates a strong partnership between home and school, and it's flexible, fitting seamlessly into any learning environment. If you want a well-rounded, inspiring start for your child's education, the Creative Curriculum is the way to go. Visit daycarelaunchpad.com to learn more.